Yun. Thank you so much. That was a song from Zach. Ano ba to? Gumagana ba yung mga palakpak-palakpak? Meron ba? Oh, wala. Thank you. Wala. Thank you. Ba yan? Ako lang pala nakakarinig. Ba't kaya sira na talaga tong V8 na to? Ba't ganun? Yaman na. Yan, hello po sa akin, 46 million viewers. Yan, hello po sa inyo. Kung meron po kayong mga request, feel free na mag-request po kapag kaya ko, I'm gonna play it. And then, kapag merong, maya-maya, magdodraw tayo ng mananalo ng 250 Gcash. Yan. So, meron pa po ba kayong mga request? Any songs in mind? Or kung meron kayong mga question, pwedeng-pwede din. Diba? Pwedeng-pwede natin yung mga... Yan, pwede ako mag-ano ngayon, yung mga Southboarder kasi laptop yung gamit ko. Sige pa. Saan ba yung... hanapin ko lang yung mga backdrop. Sige po, Ate Riza. Kaya ko na kayang kantayin tong Cebiana. Tatry ko nga later. Pag naalala ko ang mga araw na magdulog forevermore. Ay, sige po, Teresa. Pero ito, piplay ko na po. What's up, Brian? There are times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace, in the cold night. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. All those years, see, I love to hold you in my arms. Hi, Leia. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine. Yeah. I just can't believe that you were mine now. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. And time and again, there are changes that we cannot hate. Sure as stars keeps going on and on. My love for you will be Hello po. I just can't believe that you were mine. No, that I was new. No one ever thought that I would be right for you. You. Us in a faces forever. Our love will stay together. You were all I need to be with forevermore. You were all that I need to be with forever more. Iyon. Wait lang po ah. Tatanggalin ko na sa charge yung ano. Kasi parang may narinig akong pumuputok-putok. You're welcome po, Ate Riza. Yan, nawala yung static. Hello? Hello, hello. Yan, naka-charge po kasi yung V. Dahil yata doon. Yan. So, yeah, thank you po sa pag-follow. Yan, so you guys will have a chance to win 250 Gcash later on. Yan, bago mag-end yung stream ko, pipili ako ng isa para manalo ng 250 Gcash. Ayan. So ano nga yung when I was your man? When I was your man. Pas neto ah. And then yung isa ngayong naririto. All you need to do is to follow me po. And then later on, magbibigay ako ng emoji na i-comment nyo. And then randomly pipili ako ng isa. While siguro nakapikit, then pipili ako ng isa hanggang sa may mapindot ako na ma-press ako na user. Then sila yung mananalo. Ganun lang po kadali ang ating contest. So right now, wala. Iyan. So meron akong 10, 5, 32. So again, pag na-reach ko yung 10, 6 na follower, another 250 po yung pamimigay natin. Iyan. And then once I reach 11K, of course, I'll be giving away 5,000 pesos. Sa isang maswerteng mananalo, 5,000 pesos. So, kung meron po kayong ibang mga account or ibang mga friends, hope you guys can follow me. Ano po, Ate Chab? Sorry. Ano, McDo? Lang po, nakapag-McDo. Hindi pa, Ate Chubs. Di ko alam kung dumating na eh. Hindi pa yata dumadating yung yung GC. Kasi, oo, kasi nung campaign, hindi pala ako hindi ako nakapag-register. So, late ako. Kaya thank you, Kumu. Hindi ako nakapag-register. So, pinrocess nila late. Ayan, nakalimutan ko eh. Ayan. Yan. So sa mga bagong pasok po, I'll be giving away 250 GCash. So as long as you're following me dito sa aking Kumu, and syempre sana ma-follow nyo na rin ako sa aking Instagram. Same username lang po, CJ Oliveros. Aking YouTube channel and aking Facebook account. Ayan. So yung sa YouTube ko again, once yung isang video ko is mag-reach na ng 10K views, I'll be giving away 1,000 pesos din for that. Ayan. So thank you guys. So yung follower natin dito um, sa Kumu, 500 plus na lang yung kailangan ko, and then I'll be giving away 5,000 pesos. Diba? You are mine. Sige po, Tita Terry, try ko po. Unahin ko lang po yung mga naunang request. Yan. When I Was Your Man. Sige nga, try nga natin tong When I Was Your Man. Yeah. Hello po sa mga bagong pasok. Sana po ma-share natin yung stream para mas marami pa tayo. Ayan. Try ko po yung When I Was Your Man, ha. Thank you, Nicole. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, user 867. Hi, JM. Alamo o J Malamo.